What is going on, guys? It's Mr. Boosted here, aka Alan, and it's been a while since I made another video, and yeah, again, not a video on the Volkswagen, but you know, it's finally nice here in Ohio again. I got my boys with me. We got old Cameron. He was in one of my other MotoVlog videos, and if you remember, I had a video that came out that I had titled the Mysterious Vanished Rider or something. Well, it ended up being my buddy Mark, which is right there on the Jigster. So we're all out riding. This is a nice little Sunday evening we got here, and hopefully you can hear me over how loud his dang exhaust is. Should be able to, but I think I got this back set up the way I had it. It's obviously been a while since I've even did a MotoVlog, since last fall, I'd say, because I didn't start doing those till in the fall. But yeah, we're just out here trying to enjoy the weather on this nice Sunday evening we got here. Oh, and hopefully I actually plugged my mic in, because if I didn't plug my mic in, then this whole video is going to be pointless. So yeah. Yeah, his Cameron's bike looks a little different from last time because it currently has barely any fairings on it. He was going to paint them, but he decided to do it on spring when the weather started getting nicer and he couldn't not ride. So he's got like no fairings on it, but it kind of gives it a cool look. He's wanting to do a whole different paint scheme to it. Either he can't decide if he's just going to paint the fairings or buy new ones, but I know he wants like his covers and stuff and the wheels powder coated a different color besides the purplish pink, as you would say. I still got everything the same on mine. Nice little the switcheroo right there, bud. Mark, he's got I think it's a 600. I don't know if it's a 750. It might be a 750 though. 600. He's pretty good rider. Oh, I'm in neutral. That was embarrassing. I was in neutral. What that guy's doing? Running over, let him over, but forget I have to talk. See a cruiser gonna rave. Oh, give me wave. Yeah, I still got the same setup, GoPro and whatever the mic's called, Icon Airflight. It's still noisy as all get out, so I just hope I can actually be heard in the video and not just hear wind noises. But if it's anything like last time, it'll be more wind than voice. But hey, it is what it is. We're trying. Updates on the Volkswagen. Nothing's really been changed to it besides the roof rack, I guess. I still have my winter wheels set up on it. My summer wheels need new tires. So as soon as I get new tires on those and some different lug bolts, the ones I had on there, they were used and they were kind of rusty, and it literally took me an hour to get my wheels off. No impact would break it. It was just bad. So I need to get different ones of those and new tires, and then the summer setup should be back on. Hopefully I actually get to it and not wait till end of summer like I tend to do. The car's filthy, car's dirty, ain't been washed. It's been neglected very badly. I wasn't really ready for that, and I was like, what's he tapping the back of it for? But I was like, ah, then I figured it out. So yeah, should be getting some things done to it here soon. Really, I think I've said it before, but the biggest thing that's stopping me from doing anything else performance-wise is I obviously have a 6-speed manual, and their clutches are sometimes good and sometimes bad. So if I would tune it, I could just immediately slip the clutch, or it could hold it. I don't know. So I think I've just decided that I'm going to go the route with I'm going to get a new speed front mount intercooler, catless downpipe if I can find one, because they're getting very hard to find. Thanks EPA. but do that, the catless downpipe and the front mount intercooler, and then just say screw it and throw a stage 2 tune on it and see what happens. Obviously it's probably going to slip, and if it does slip, well then I guess I'm changing the clutch. I'm just tired of her being like on stock power. I know I could do like a stage 1, and I do hate how Audis and Volkswagens, their tunes or stages they call them. It just doesn't, it's not the best terminology for me. I don't like using, so. But either way, yeah, that's what it'll be getting hopefully soon. Obviously my first priority is going to be the new tires on my other wheels, just because I like the way they look. And you know, got car shows coming up and stuff like that, so gotta make it look good. I am wanting to. He's got kill. I mean, it's so smooth when he does it. Mexico, by the way, so it's all Mexico riding. Nothing here is in the we're not riding in the States right now, so just throwing that out there. I tend to focus a lot when I try to corner, so good. Whoa, that was a little scary. Poor Cameron stuck behind that car. Whoopsies, my wrist slipped. Yes, Mark is he's a very experienced rider. He doesn't really do a lot of stupid stuff like I just did. He used to, but he told me he learned his lesson on it, and he advised against it, of course. But I'm sure I'll just do it and learn my lesson. And like, yeah, shouldn't be doing that. That's how it goes. So make a video on it, and I can get something posted. I know it's been a while. Still gaining a crap ton of subscribers, so that's awesome. I know a lot of people will probably get upset, but if you ain't got money for car parts, you can't really make YouTube videos, if you know what I mean. But should be getting there soon. Last weekend we rode here, there's a stick in the middle line. There's old Cameron at. There he is. Yeah. Oh, look at that awesome view. Look at that view. Oh. mics like synchronize like the sound, like at the same pitch and stuff, because you just like it, we're just like all humming along. I got some crispy lines in their yard. Yeah, I'm running out of talking points. Go fishing. Go fishing. Oh, John. Go fishing. They go fishing. What? So there's this house back there that's got a tree on it that's been there for like, I feel like it's at least been on that house for at least over a year now. I'm assuming obviously no one lives in it, but there's just a tree on a house. So, I don't know, thought it was funny. I guess you could call it a tree house. Why not? My cousin Will. Cousin Will. Forgot he has a Ford. Right down my nose. Y'all ever had the Parmesan bites from Domino's? They slap. I had a little party last night. We ordered 64 of them, and they were all redevoured them. They're so good. But this is probably going to be a short little video because I think we're probably just about done, I'd say. So yeah, sorry for the lack of videos once again, but like I said, no money, no car parts. So I mean, I can live stream iRacing, but it doesn't seem like it does very well on the channel, so I just haven't really been doing it too much. But you guys are still killing it on the subscribers and even views I'm still getting. So keep up the work, and hopefully I will see you guys soon here with some more videos with the Volkswagen. And yeah, we'll go from there. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.